Hey there, and welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about the insider secrets every home seller needs to know. And today we have a question from John, and this is in the category of our Sell My Home checklist. And he wants to know how to tackle the little things before selling my home. Hey, John, good to have you here. And here is the answer. Simple tasks can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more do-re-mi. Sometimes we're so used to living in our own home that we don't see it the way buyers will see it. And a lot of it is psychological. So declutter, clean the mirrors and glass, the lampshades, the tabletops. We want the house to sparkle so that buyers will feel a clean sense of home when they come inside. You might also consider hiring a handyman for a half day just to take care of the little things, squeaky hinges, doors that don't quite close right, or even updating cabinet hardware and other fixtures. It's also a great idea to hire a cleaning service to clean light fixtures and ceiling fans, windowsills, glass door tracks, or even a gardener to add some curb appeal. It's all those little details that say creature comfort. The smallest details can often bring the highest price because perception is everything. I can't tell you how many times a buyer has said to me, "Doesn't seem like they're taking very good care of their home. Do you think this is a distressed sale? Could we get it for less?" And you don't ever want a buyer wanting your home for less than what it's worth. You want them to feel like it's their home and that it's super valuable. So that's today's tip for selling your home while living in Orange County. My name is Remy, like Do-Re-Mi. I'm an award-winning designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. My team and I get calls every single day from people just like you with questions to ask your agent before selling your house, and we love hearing from you. We're all about helping you put the most do-re-mi in your pocket when you sell your home. If you have a question, simply leave it in the comments section, or you'll find our contact information below. We typically answer within 24 hours and often sooner, and we look forward to chatting with you soon.